Hey everyone, I just wanted to make another quick video about my experience working remotely as a Salesforce admin slash developer. And this has really been more about developing than admin. The project that I'm on is almost all Apex code and just doing some basic administration to set up new fields, list views, things like that. This is my fourth week that I'm wrapping up now, and I would say this first month has been pretty slow, but now just today I'm starting to feel like I finally have ownership of some of the parts of the project. So they've designated this one functionality as something that I will be maintaining going forward. So any ideas that I have to improve the code or add features or just make life easier for both end users or for developers, I've got free reign to go ahead and make those improvements. So I would say, like right now, I'm feeling very empowered on the project, and yeah, I'm really loving it. From the remote aspect, I would say it has been very flexible. So being able to attend Salesforce user group meetings on a regular basis has been great, because I don't feel like I'm trapped inside of an office at a specific side of town. So for example, I live kind of in between Milwaukee and Madison, and when I attend the Madison user group meeting, I can just drive out there in the morning and work from the library where it's held, and just spend the day out there. And same with Milwaukee, I was able to just go downtown, be near that for that day, and was able to attend the meeting and then kind of shift that in with the rest of my hours for the day. Very flexible. I like it. I like it a lot. But working from home, I'd say, is not well suited for me. I think, especially with not having my plate really full, I felt like I was going a bit stir crazy sitting at home. So I've been making a point to get out almost every day. There's been a couple of days where I did work from home, but even it was something just like sitting at the park for maybe an hour and working from there, or doing a morning thing at Panera, grabbing a coffee and sitting there for a couple hours while I did some of my meetings. That was great. Working from the car in a parking lot was another favorite. Just I really enjoy being flexible and being able to mix it up day to day. So I think right now that's kind of my favorite thing about working remotely. I have an external monitor that I'm using, so that when I'm at a different place, I'm definitely comfortable and efficient. So I know just having like one monitor isn't nearly as nice as two, and 4 monitors are even better. But I think 2 is good enough. So yeah, if you're in Wisconsin and want a position where you're working remotely, we should have a conversation. And if you're in another state, you should still let me know, but I think it's going to be harder for me to help you because most of my contacts are here in Wisconsin. If you're out of the country, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to tell you. I get a lot of people from India asking for advice, and I think my first question was always, well, are you attending like your local user group meeting? And that's a good place to start searching for jobs. So even especially in the United States, I know there's usually recruiters that attend those meetings. So probably best to start by building out your network by attending user group meetings, and that will probably be a way to find a local job. But to find a remote job, make sure you have your LinkedIn profile up to date, and just start talking with recruiters that are contacting you. And maybe if the position that they're recruiting for right now isn't appropriate, maybe they'll find something in a couple of weeks, and they have you in mind, right? So yeah, working remotely is pretty awesome, I'd say. If you have the opportunity, go for it. If you have questions about it that I haven't really covered, let me know. Feel free to share any of my experiences. All right, thanks, have fun.